If you want to use the features that Clickfunnels offers, but have a limited monthly budget, this video will show you a free Clickfunnels alternative that gives you everything you need to launch your funnel, grow your email list, host your course or community without paying a single dollar upfront. The free Clickfunnels alternative I'm talking about is System.io, or to be precise, the free plan that the platform offers. It's an all-in-one platform that covers a lot of the things users usually turn to Clickfunnels for, like funnels, email campaigns and automations, online courses, communities, and even an affiliate program for your own products. What also makes System.io so appealing, especially if you're just starting out, is how simple it is to use. And the best part, you can start using it today without paying anything. That's a big deal when you are trying to test your ideas and grow your business. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that not all Clickfunnels features are available in System.io and that the free System.io plan has its limitations. But believe me, it offers a lot more than you might expect from a free tool, and it's definitely more than enough if you're just starting. By the way, when you use our link in the description of this video to create your free System.io account, you will also receive 3 done-for-you funnel templates as a bonus to help you launch your funnel even faster. Now let's see what you can expect from this free Clickfunnels alternative. When you create your System.io account and log in for the first time, you will see a dashboard like this. From here, you can access all the features. Let's quickly go over the main sections you will find here. You can access your CRM, funnels, blog, digital store, email marketing features and automations, courses, communities, and your affiliate program, all from this main menu. Also, if English is not your first language, you will be happy to know that System.io supports a lot of languages. You can easily switch the language here to make the platform more comfortable to use for you. Now let's take a closer look at each feature, starting with CRM. Inside the contact section, you can manually add new contacts or import them. You can view detailed information about each contact, like their email interactions, purchase history, and more. You can use tags to help organize your contacts into different groups. Another handy feature inside System.io is pipelines. Pipelines are great if you want to visually track leads through different stages, like a sales process or a client onboarding workflow. You can use the default stages or create your own and then move contacts between stages as they progress. Also, you don't have to do it manually. You can set up an action in an automation to move the contact to the next stage when a specific condition is met. It's a very simple drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to stay organized, especially if you are managing a sales team or running a service-based business. Another useful CRM feature that System.io offers is Calendar. It lets you create events and offer your customers a booking page, similar to what you can do with tools like Calendly. You can set your availability, and then customers can visit your booking page, see the available time slots, and schedule an appointment with you. It's a very straightforward way to manage calls, coaching sessions, or consultations without needing to pay for a separate scheduling tool. Moving on to the websites tab, which includes blogs, funnels, and digital stores. Although System.io is an all-in-one platform, funnels stay one of the core features. Nice-looking page and section templates make the creation of a funnel really effortless. On the funnel page, you will see all your funnel steps listed on the left side, and on the right, you will find different tabs where you can adjust settings for the entire funnel or individual pages. One really helpful feature here is the ability to set deadlines for your funnels, which is great if you're running limited time offers. The page editor itself is structured like most other funnel builders. You work with sections, rows, and elements. System.io gives you all the necessary elements you need, and even a few extras you don't always find in other tools, like for example reCAPTCHA, FAQ, and sliders. You can easily switch between mobile and desktop views to make sure your funnel looks good on any device. Overall, the editor has pretty much everything you need to build high-converting pages. However, if we compare it to Clickfunnels, the page editor in System.io isn't quite as smooth and doesn't offer as many customization and styling options. But one important thing to point out, System.io does allow you to add one-click upsells and downsells to your funnels, which is a big plus. If you want to learn more about building a funnel in System.io, watch our step-by-step tutorial by clicking on the card up here. Now let's take a look at the blog. Even though there aren't many blog templates, the ones available look clean and professional. You can easily manage your blog pages, create new blog posts, and organize them into categories. Editing blog posts is also very easy because the blog uses the same page editor as the funnels. You can even add special elements like FAQ sections to help your posts rank better in search results. And last but not least, we have digital stores, which is a newly released feature in System.io that allows you to build your digital store, or in other words, mobile optimized link in bio page. You can use one of the modern looking templates and a super simple editor to create your link in bio page in no time. Basically, it's a free alternative to Stand Store. Now let's look at emails. Inside System.io, you can send one-time emails, which are called newsletters, or you can build automated email sequences called campaigns. The email editor is extremely user-friendly. You can either use the text editor format or switch to the visual editor. On the right, you can add delays between emails and choose specific days and times when each email should be sent. You can personalize your emails by using tags to insert things like your subscriber's name. While the email options in System.io are not super advanced, like for example in ActiveCampaign, they're more than enough for solid email follow-ups. For example, if someone opts in on your funnel page and you want to send them a welcome sequence, System.io can handle that without a problem. Also, emails in System.io are complemented by automations. Let's say after a contact opted in on your page, you want to add some tags, grant access to a course, and not just send email follow-ups. You can build a workflow to automate all these tasks. You start with a trigger, like an opt-in, and then you can choose different actions, like adding a tag, enrolling into a course, sending an email, or even splitting the path based on conditions. Next, let's talk about courses. Inside System.io, you can easily build an online course by adding modules and lessons and filling them with the content. You can upload your course videos directly to System.io, so you don't need to host them somewhere else. Here's how a finished course looks like for a student. It's clean, simple, and easy to navigate. You can also create quizzes inside your course area if you want to test your students' knowledge or make your lessons more interactive, and combine the course with a community for your students. Finally, if you plan to have affiliates promoting your products, System.io also has you covered. You can manage your entire affiliate program inside the platform. You will be able to track your affiliates, set up commission plans, and manage payouts without needing an outside affiliate management tool. This should give you an idea of System.io features and possibilities. If you want to have a more detailed overview of all the System.io functionality, check out our in-depth review by clicking on the card up here. Now that we've covered the main System.io features, let's take a closer look at the limitations you have on the free plan. With the free System.io plan, you can have up to 2,000 contacts in your email list, send unlimited emails, set up one workflow and one email campaign, build up to 3 sales funnels with 1 upsell and 1 order bump and up to 15 steps in total, set up 1 blog, create 1 online course and 1 community with an unlimited number of students and members. You can also have a booking page for 1 event and even run your own affiliate program. That's already quite a lot, especially if you compare it to the other tools where even basic email marketing or funnel building usually comes with a price tag right away. Of course, at some point you may run into the limits on the free plan. For example, if you want to create more than 3 funnels, or if you need more automations, you will need to move up to one of the paid plans. But even then, System.io pricing is very budget-friendly compared to most other platforms out there. And honestly, for the beginning stages of your business, whether you're just growing your email list, selling your first product, or setting up a simple course, the free plan is more than enough to get you moving without any pressure. However, if System.io doesn't offer some features that you would use in ClickFunnels, like Message Hub, frameworks, or more advanced funnel builder, your best option may be to go with ClickFunnels. The good news is that you can use our link in the video description below to get an extended 30-day ClickFunnels trial instead of regular 14-day trial, giving you more time to test the platform. And if you use our link, you will also receive our ClickFunnels course as a bonus. That's it for today. Use the link in the description of the video to create your free System.io account. And when you use our link, you will also get access to 3 done-for-you funnel templates to make it even easier for you to launch your first funnel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.